For today, composition of function. I'm gonna show you how work this this topic. This topic belongs to Precalculus. We have here to write the function for input, substitute, then input into the function rule. What I mean this, for example, or for instance, if we have f of x equals 3x minus 1, when input is 2, then f2 right here is going to be equals 3 times 2 minus 1. Okay, this is equals 3 times 2 is 6 minus 1, so it's going to be 6 minus 1 is 5. This is the answer. Okay, when the input is for example n, when input is n, then fn here, then fn is going to be equals 3n minus 1. It's another thing we have that you have to remember is when the input, for instance, is n plus 2, then fn plus 2, see, it's gonna be equals 3n plus 2 minus 1. See, remember this is the example. So I remembered you some ideas so far. Here, if you multiply, you're gonna have 3n plus 3 times 2 minus 1. See, this is you simplify, you are gonna have 3n plus 6 minus 1. The answer is 3n here plus 5. See, this is the some notes, some ideas review before to see how is the composition of the function. Let me give it to you more details about this topic, composition of function. If you have f, it's in this way, f g of x, then this is gonna be equals f g x. Or for example here, if you have g f, and the other way, you are gonna have here is gonna be equals g times f x. To find fg of x or g f of x, we have to use the inner function as the input. For the, of course, for the other function. function. This is another idea that you have to keep in your mind or review before to work with the composition of a function. Let's go and then solve one problem, one example. Okay, let's see. Let's solve this problem. Find fg of x for fx equals phi x and gx equals 2x plus 3. Okay, this is our problem. This is our problem that we have to solve it. Next step, what is next step? You have to write fg like this x equals f times 2x plus 3. What is this? Here is a substitute. This here substitute the inner function. The inner function. This is the inner function. What is the inner function? G. The inner function. Gx equals, what is the inner function? 2x plus 3. Alright? Now, next step, here. Apply the function rule for other, here, this step, we need to apply here, apply the inner function, or in other words, here next step, apply the function rule for other function. Apply the function rule here. Apply the function rule for the other function. What is the other function? The other function is this one, f x equals phi x. So then this step is gonna be this. This is the step that I did. So it's gonna be phi times 2x plus 3. Apply the function rule for the other function. The other function is fx equals phi x. Now the next step actually is you get the answer. It's gonna be here. You have to multiply. It's gonna be 10x plus 15. What happened here? Just apply the distributive property here. Here is distributive property. Distributive property. So you have the answer ready. Then the conclusion, or our conclusion, is so fg of x is equals 10x plus 15. That's it. Simple. Piece okay. So thank you so much for watching. This is that was our topic for today, composition of function. We have a composition of one example here. I did before some background, some ideas, support our class